Hello everyone and welcome back to the Venerable Owl channel. I'm real excited to do a product review. This is from Lighthouse for the Blind Industries, and they are based out of St. Louis, Missouri. I don't know if you guys can see that. Obviously I've blacked out my home address information for obvious reasons. So the product that they sent me was from their QuakeKare.com brand. And I will just pull ERbar and another ERbar. Let me just get rid of this box, lay these down. All right, so as you can see, this emergency ration food provisions has 3,600 calories, and this one has 2,400 calories. These are truly awesome things that I think everybody should have in their emergency supplies. This small one, you can put that into, say, your go bag or your get home bag, or have them both for home supplies in case you have to shelter at home, or you can't get out, or emergency situation happens that you can't get to a store, whatever the case may be. You understand, since this is a preparedness channel. So the purpose of this is to open up. I'll probably open this one up and do a taste test. Now this says it's a 3-day food supply. Each 12-ounce packet contains 6 individual 410 calorie rations for a total of 2,460 calories. Recommended consumption is 2 rations per day. It has a 5-year shelf life, withstands extreme conditions and temperatures. Non-thirst provoking formula. Optimal balance of nutrients. Formulated specifically for emergency victims. And right here it's home, school, office, auto, boat. It's the same. U.S. Coast Guard approved, and the number is right there. I don't know if you guys can see this or not, but let me get a pair of scissors and I will open this one. Oh, wait a minute. Let's just see if I can tear it open. Oh, yes. Tear it open really easy. Really easy. Now, just so you guys know, I haven't ate or drank anything for about 4 hours. So I'm hoping that the food and drink that I had earlier isn't going to affect the taste test for this product. Well, let's see. Whoa! Yeah, it came out of there. So let's see. Well, you can't break it off. Kind of crumbles. Maybe if you had a knife, I want to try to maybe just bite it off. All right. It actually tastes pretty good. Makes me think of gingerbread. I don't know if you guys like gingerbread or not. Yeah, that tastes really, really good. I wouldn't recommend biting it off with your teeth. You may probably should have a knife or something to that effect to cut off a piece. That kind of did hurt a tooth. But the things I do to provide you guys with information and some reviews of quality products. I like the flavor of it. It has not made me thirsty. Um, so would I buy this? Yes. Now, here's a good point that I need to make. They didn't sponsor this um, video. They did send me these 2 bars for free, and all I have to do is give an honest review, and that's what I'm doing for you guys. So, in my opinion, would I buy these for myself? and keep them in my supplies? Absolutely. And the cool thing is they are extremely affordable. I don't know if you guys will be able to see this on my phone or not. Try to find find where the Quake Kare food bars are. Let's see. Shop now. Maybe I should have done that to start with. There's the ultimate bug out bag. And I do like having some things in these prepackaged kits, but products, maybe that's what we need to look at. Yes, right there it is. So this one right here is also the one I just taste tested. It is $4.97 on their website. The 3600, let's see here. Where is it? There it is. ER3600, which is the larger one. That one is only $7.42. So if you get a chance, go check out their website, quakekare.com. I would definitely buy this product, and I will actually buy some of these. Probably those right there. Simply because it's a 4-pack of these, and I can have one in my vehicle, one in a go bag, one in the closet with the other supplies. So, guys, have you ever tried Quake Kare products? If so, leave a comment for me in the comment section. So, remember, be prepared, get proper training, and learn new skills. Visit us on the web at www.venerableowl.com. And thank you so much for watching.